In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever ended up with pages out of order after scanning or combining files, this quick process will help you clean things up so your document reads exactly the way you want. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Give it a moment to load, then open the PDF you want to adjust. You can use the File menu to locate your document or open it from your recent files. Either way works. Once your PDF is open, look to the left side of the screen for the All Tools panel. Click All Tools, then select Organize Pages. This takes you into a dedicated workspace made for rearranging, rotating, splitting, and more. For today, we'll focus on reordering pages. Your view will switch to a grid of page thumbnails. This layout makes it easy to see the entire document at a glance, especially if you're working with a lot of pages. Scroll through to spot the page or pages you want to move. If you're working with a large file, take a second to identify where the target pages should end up so the move is quick and accurate. Click once on the thumbnail of the page you want to reposition. You'll see it become active. Now, click and hold the mouse button and start dragging the page toward its new location. As you drag, watch for the blue indicator line. It shows exactly where the page will land. Align it with the destination spot, then release the mouse button to drop the page into place. If the placement isn't perfect on the first try, simply drag it again until it's right. If you need to move multiple pages together, hold down Ctrl on Windows or CMD on a Mac while clicking each page you want to select. With the group highlighted, drag them as a unit to their new position. The same blue indicator line will guide you so the set lands exactly where you expect. When you're finished organizing, click the Close or Exit button in the Organize Pages toolbar to return to the regular viewing mode. This brings you back to your document with the updated order in place. Finally, save your PDF to permanently lock in the new sequence. Choose Save to overwrite the existing file, or use Save as if you want to keep a backup of the original order. That's it. Your pages are now neatly arranged, and your PDF is ready to share or archive.